Hello student, let us start today the torque analysis of a plate clutch. Okay, consider a plate circular one which is having a internal diameter as di, external diameter as a d out. Okay, consider a one strip of having thickness dr at a distance of r. If you see the pressure distribution, this is a pressure distribution p. This side, if it is the pressure, the opposite side will be what? Your fa. Now consider, I already said this is the elementary thickness of dr at a distance r. Okay, area of the element ring, that is dA of the elementary ring. dA of the elementary ring is what? 2 pi r, area 2 pi r into a thickness, that is dr. Okay, now axial force on the ring, that is elementary axial force on the ring, dfa. That is what? You all know that what is the force? Pressure into area. This is the pressure, the area will be what? dA. dA is what? Your pressure. If you see from first side, what is this? Is pressure. dA is what? 2 pi r into dr is what? Your axial force acting on the ring. Now frictional force on the ring, that we say d, frictional force on the ring, dff. This suffix indicates the frictional force. That is what you know, frictional force is equal to f, that is the friction, into fa. Some book it is written as a mu. Okay, no issue, you can have a small f or fa. So small f, as usual, you know what is the fa from the top side, that is pressure into 2 pi r dr. 2 pi r dr, pressure into, this is what the frictional force. Okay, now we should come to the torque, frictional torque. These are the basic things we should know. Frictional torque, that is dt. Okay, we know that what is a torque? Force into radius. In generally you know that force into radius. What is our force? dfa. Okay, df into frictional force into radius. Okay, what is df from the above? What is d? Frictional force, f, pressure 2 pi r dr into, this is df, what is r? Into r, right? So you can rewrite this one as a dt is equals to 2 pi f pressure r square into dr. This is a basic things. To get complete, we there are two things we should always remember. This is a one torque and one is what? Our force, that is here, this fa. We should know these two, dfa and a dat. I will make this one as a 1, this one as a 2. There are two for we should integrate this. This is a smaller. Okay, for complete, what we have to do? We have to integrate it. We should integrate a force from inner diameter to the outer diameter. Same torque from inner diameter to the outer diameter. So the equation 1 becomes, fa, which is going from a inner diameter to outer diameter, or we can say that radius from inner to outer, into pressure. We all know that 2 pi r dr. This is our main equation. I can say third equation. Now what about the fourth? The fourth is what? Torque. When you integrate torque from ri to r out, okay, what will be? Just simply 2 pi f pressure r square into dr. This is what? Equation 4. Okay, for disc clutches we have to go for the two theories to obtain the torque. To obtain a torque, we are having a two theories. Those are theories are said to be uniform pressure and uniform wear theory. Separately I will say uniform pressure theory once and uniform wear theory one in next video.